Hey everyone, I'm back with Monica, and we are so excited to wrap up this amazing financial university series with a giveaway. Monica has been gracious enough to give away some free consultation time with some winners. And we went through all of the entries and we actually picked two people, not just one. So we're very excited to announce that. We actually have Amy T from California and Carla W from Texas. We're going to be sending out emails to you guys so that you get a
Yay!
personal invitation from Monica for those consultations. But Monica, seriously, like, thank you so much for donating your time to these people and to be giving away, this one-on-one time with you.
Oh my gosh, it's such a pleasure. I'm hugely passionate about financial literacy, and my goodness, we don't even offer it really in this country. So, thank you for giving me the platform to share really how money works, different ways to look at money. And it's not near as scary as everybody thinks, and it's not near as complex. I do think the financial institutions do a whole lot to keep people in the dark because I always say, our wealth transfers are the financial institutions' profits. So it behooves them to keep us in the dark. So again, thank you for the platform. Thank you for the opportunity to share literacy. And I'm really looking forward to working with you two ladies. And as Liz said, I will reach out and we'll figure out a good time that works to kind of get the ball rolling and see if we can't get you to financial freedom quicker.
So awesome. Well, thank you everyone who participated in this thus far. Obviously, these videos are going to live here on YouTube till kingdom come. And so anyone who's just now watching this, you might have missed out on the giveaway, but please go through the Financial University series as we've structured it. It's an amazing opportunity to get so much information for free. And we hope that no matter whether you got a free consultation with Monica one-on-one or not, that you've gotten a lot out of this series. So thank you, everyone, and thank you, Monica. And I can't wait to do some future projects on this topic. I think it'll be great.
Absolutely. Love
All
it.
right.
Thanks,
Bye,
Liz.
guys.
Bye bye.